5 smart money rules para sa mag-partner o mag-asawa. This is for couples na palaging nag-aaway sa pera. Mahal nyo ang isa't isa, pero minsan pera ang sumisira ng peace of mind nyo. Ito ang 5 smart money rules para hindi kayo mag-away sa pera. Number 1, one team, one plan. Hindi pera ko at pera mo lang. Dapat may shared goals. Ipon, bahay, future. Number 2, monthly money meeting. Kahit 20 minutes. Hindi away session ha. Review lang ng bills, goals, at budget. Number 3, separate roles. Who pays what? Clear dapat sino magbabayad sa rent, groceries, tuition fee, etc. Para walang sumbatan. Number 4, pay yourselves first as a couple. Kahit maliit, automatic na ipon per cut-off. Hindi pwedeng pag may natira saka mag-iipon. Kasi laging walang natitira. Number 5, agree on a fun budget para hindi feeling deprived. May allowance para sa dates o luho pero may limit. Real talk, kapag walang rules, puro emotions. Kapag may rules, may kapayapaan. Kung gusto mong matutunan ng financial literacy at financial planning step by step, IMG can guide you as a couple with a system and community. Comment #ipon below to know more about our financial literacy campaign. Retire early, live free, kayang-kaya basta may tamang gabay.